Investing in the real estate market might seem like something best left to the pros. However, with Fundrise, as little as $10 can be invested into this lucrative market. This method I'm about to discuss is arguably one of the best passive forms of income. Fundrise has consistently seen annual profits up to 22%. All you have to do is sign up for it and submit the money, which can be as little as $10. You don't pick properties or any of that, but you make money off of others picking properties. Therefore, you're making money by just submitting money into Fundrise. Also, it's important to note that Fundrise has never had a year without profits. Therefore, it's pretty much guaranteed that you'll be making money. This method is long-term and often takes several years, but the profits are high and guaranteed with little work on your end. Before I discuss this method, consider showing your support by liking and subscribing. So what is Fundrise? Fundrise is a financial tech company based out of the Washington, D.C. metro area that operates a crowd-funded real estate investment platform. Fundrise gives people a new option for investing in high-quality real estate deals without having to struggle with all the high costs associated with the real estate industry. Today, more than 210,000 investors use Fundrise, investing in over $7 billion worth of real estate across the U.S. Members saw an average annual return of 22.99% in 2021. You can expect similar results. How can you make money with Fundrise? When you invest with Fundrise, your funds are allocated across a diverse mix of Fundrise's offerings, known as EREITs and E-funds, both of which are professionally managed portfolios of private real estate located throughout the United States. Don't worry about your money, it's in the hands of a real estate guru who only invests your money into high-quality properties. The money that is made will be paid out through quarterly dividends and/or appreciation in share value. Quarterly dividends is rent income generated from the rental properties. You'll typically receive dividend distributions in a few weeks after the end of each quarter. You can choose to have them directly deposited into your bank account or automatically reinvested back into Fundrise. This second option is recommended because reinvesting the money means you'll be making exponentially more money in the long run. Appreciation in share value means you'll receive money when a property is sold. Appreciation is only paid at the end of the investment. This can take a few years. While a few years might sound like a long time, in reality, real estate has shown to be an excellent long-term investment. Your potential earnings with Fundrise will vary depending on your portfolio and the investments within it. But there are a few things you can do to help maximize your earnings. Consider these tips before jumping in. Look at your options. Fundrise doesn't offer one catch-all portfolio, but rather a handful of options tailored to your specific investment style. Understand each of these plans before you begin, so you know you're choosing the best option for your situation. As stated earlier, reinvest your dividends. It might be tempting to take your earnings and do with them what you want, but reinvesting your dividends puts that money straight back into open offerings with Fundrise. There are no fees to reinvest your dividends. Fundrise's safe investment strategy. Because of the nature of the investments, Fundrise, EREITs, and E-funds have a lower correlation to the larger market and could potentially offer greater protection from market volatility. Fundrise doesn't invest in just any real estate either. The company's real estate team only goes after high-quality investments that can potentially earn income and safeguard against losses. So you can rest easy knowing your money is only going towards sound investments, not the riskier forms of real estate investment. Fundrise also uses bank-level security to ensure your information is safe while using the platform. Also, Fundrise has reviewed thousands of real estate investment deals and selects only the top 2% of projects. Here's the process. First, real estate companies submit projects to Fundrise. Second, Fundrise conducts a basic screening to ensure it's up to company standards. Third, projects go through an intense underwriting process which includes, but not limited to, credit and background check, experience and track record check, on-site visit by member of Fundrise team, in-depth schedule and budget analysis, market analysis, supply and demand, demographics, etc., sale/refinance stress test. Fourth, if the project passes, Fundrise approves the deal and acquires it. Fundrise rates each of its projects with a value ranging from A1 to E3. This estimates the risk of a project, with E3 being the riskiest. For example, project rated D will carry more risk than something rated B, but also have the potential for greater returns. What is the minimum investment for Fundrise? The Fundrise platform has 5 levels to choose from, and each has its own minimum requirement. Here are the account levels and initial investments required. Starter, $10. Basic, $1,000. Core, $5,000. Advanced, $10,000. Premium, $100,000. Here's a more detailed look at how the Fundrise platform works and some of its features. When you log into your Fundrise account, you'll see your dashboard with your summary of your returns. Shows how much you've earned in dividends and appreciation and how much was taken out in advisory fees. Growth graph. Newsfeed announcing recently acquired or completed projects. The example shown below is a long-term growth portfolio. You can click into your portfolio tab to see your investments in detail. In this portfolio, there are over 160 active projects. You can click into each one to see more details such as the projected annual return, total size, location, timeline updates, and market analysis. This portfolio is a mix of apartment buildings and commercial real estate. The investments consist of new construction, renovations, and stabilized apartments. You'll also get a full breakdown of your portfolio by each REIT and their values. In your Performance tab, you can see your personal returns information. Alternative options to Fundrise. If investing with a real estate crowdfunding platform like Fundrise doesn't sound quite right for you, there are several other options for investing money, including ARC7, Wealthsimple, and Stash. ARC7 is a fractional real estate investing platform where you can build passive income by investing in shares of rental properties. The company offers a simple way to add real estate to your portfolio without investing in REITs or buying a whole rental property yourself. ARC7 investors have earned between 3 to 6% annual distributions from monthly income alone based on figures from September 2022. Wealthsimple is an online investment manager that focuses on ETF investments, primarily low-cost index funds. There are no account minimums, and Wealthsimple handles many of the complexities of investing, such as portfolio rebalancing, dividend reinvestment, and tax loss harvesting. You can expect to pay 0.5% in management fees on investments up to $100,000 and 0.4% investments on over $100,000. If you're looking for a platform that makes investing approachable to new investors, you may want to consider Stash. With plans ranging from $3 to $9 per month, you can start investing with as little as $1. Stash also provides options for banking, where you can get rewarded with stock on your normal day-to-day spending. In conclusion, you can invest as little as $10 into one of the most lucrative markets, the real estate market. Your money is placed into the hands of real estate gurus who will use your money to purchase hand-picked properties with almost guaranteed profit. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below.